Hi, I'm Per Holmwang. I would like to give you a brief update on how DNVGL will support ship owners and operators to comply with the new regulations, the EU Monitoring, Reporting and Verification Scheme, the so-called MRV, and the IMO Data Collection System, DCS. The common goal of these EU and IMO regulations is to monitor fuel consumption and CO2 emissions from shipping, and eventually consider this information as a basis for regulations to limit such emissions. This could include measures such as CO2 pricing or some sort of taxation. The MRV and DCS schemes are built on the same principles, but also have some differences. The first reporting period for MRV started 1st January 2018. For DCS, the reporting period will start from the 1st of January 2019. Both schemes require a plan to be submitted for approval up front, in which the methodology is described for collection and reporting of fuel consumption data. For MRV, this is called a monitoring plan. For DCS, an updated Ship's Energy Efficiency Management Plan Part 2 is required. DNVGL has obtained the role as an accredited verifier for MRV and is now in the process of being authorized by the various flags to act as a recognized organization on their behalf for the IMO DCS. For convenience, DNVGL aims to cover both schemes in the same tool. DNVGL has established a web application for easy generation of the MRV monitoring plan and will soon launch a similar one for the SEMP Part 2. The required outcome of both MRV and DCS will be a verified annual aggregated report. We recommend, however, that ships report data throughout the year rather than a one-time reporting at the end of the year. This enables us to run continuous data quality checks during the reporting period so that by the end of the year all data have gone through a screening for completeness and correctness. The verified data in the form of an annual emission report for MRV can be uploaded by the ship operators to the EMSA TETIS database as required by the EU. For DCS, the data will be uploaded to the IMO database by DNVGL or by the flag state. By receiving overall consumption data and underlying data such as log abstracts and bunker delivery details, DNVGL will verify the information in an automated process and thereby avoid time-consuming site visits to the ship manager's office for review of physical documentation. Finally, I would like to close this brief video with summarizing the benefits of using DNVGL as a verifier. DNVGL supports the customer by a combined verification of the MRV and the DCS schemes, and using the same verifier makes sense. We have a digital reporting setup to minimize the efforts for the ship operator. We have an online tool to generate the SEMP Part 2 and also continuously verification of the completeness of reported data. We have also appointed a dedicated interface manager to support the customers in setting up effective reporting and reporting formats to cover the necessary information for the verification part. This will minimize the need for site visits and requests for more detailed information. For flexible and cost-efficient solution, we have set up a system to ensure compliance with the IMO DCS at all times, or EU MRV if applicable. This depends on trading patterns, but DCS will always apply. For further details, please visit the DNVGL websites, which will continuously be updated with relevant information on MRV and DCS developments. Thanks for your attention.